Qlik Sense offers a wide range of visualizations to use with your data. Deciding on the correct chart type can be challenging when creating your first Qlik Sense app. Chart suggestions enable you to select data fields and let Qlik Sense choose the dimensions, measures, and visualization types. So by dragging and dropping the sales field, Qlik Sense automatically creates a KPI showing the sum of sales. When you add fields to your visualization, the suggested visualization adjusts itself based on your changes. In this example, by adding the region field, we obtain a map chart showing the sales by region. If the provided visualization is not exactly what you need, you can expand the Chart Properties panel slide and choose from a list of alternative visualizations that make sense for your current data set. In this case, we select a pie chart from the list. You can adjust the settings in the Property panel for data and appearance. To open access to all available properties, disable Assistance. Now we are going to create another chart by adding the following fields: product type, sales, and margin. As you can see, Qlik Sense automatically recognizes dimensions and measures and defines an aggregation for the measures. You can change the aggregation by selecting another one from the drop-down menu. As before, you can change the visualization by selecting another chart from the one suggested, in this case, a combo chart. You can drag dimensions or measures to add to your chart. In doing this, Qlik Sense automatically changes the chart type to a more appropriate one. You can also drag fields between dimensions and measures to change how a field is used. Moving a field to measures assigns it an aggregation. Moving a field to dimensions removes its aggregation. Once again, select the chart that best fits your needs. As you can see, using chart suggestions reduces the amount of time you spend building visualizations. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.